Hello beautiful women, I am Ishita Saluja, founder and head stylist at Ishita Saluja Image Consultancy. I style incredible women across globe who are looking to reinvent themselves and looking for a boost in their confidence. Welcome back to another video where I'm going to help you elevate your style easily and effortlessly. So let's get going. I know the background is not the usual background that we use, but it is because I am in Jaipur to attend a wedding. So I thought I'm going to give you some practical tips as to keep in mind when you are getting ready for the function. So let's get going. But before we start, I'm going to tell you that I am wearing sari almost for the first time for a function. So I have some tips for you, so let's get ready. So tip number one, and this is the best tip if you are traveling for a wedding or any kind of a function. Now usually when we travel and we keep our clothes in our suitcases, we do realize that they can crumble up easily, and that's why my tip number one has to be to make sure you carry like a handy steamer. Because let's face it, it's not easy to give your clothes at laundry all the time when you're staying in a hotel and spend a bomb on this. So that's why invest in a handy steamer. It's super efficient, super quick, and you will realize it doesn't take more than 5 minutes to make sure that this is non-creased. Trust me, this is by far my best investment, and I know that how easy this has become to travel with wedding clothes and not worry how will I get them ironed and look neat. This is all done and I'm so happy that I'm carrying my handy steam iron. This is just so neat and it was so crumbled when I took it out. Now I see this huge trend that women are wearing shapewears or those fitted lycra petticoats that are being advertised everywhere. I also tried. Now I have this habit, before I come to a function, I will make sure that I try each outfit as it is and make sure that I'm comfortable. That's another tip that you can make a note of. So I did the same. I tried the sari, but I tried it with the lycra or the fitted shapewear petticoat as they call it. And trust me when I say this, I was barely able to walk for 15 minutes. I was sweaty, it was uncomfortable, I wasn't able to walk properly, leave about dancing or enjoying the function. So I decided to stick to the old and good petticoat. Now on to the next tip, which is very important because we all want to do very neat and very nice makeup. But before that, we need to understand that we also want our makeup to last longer. And now I'm going to give you a hack which is going to make sure that your makeup lasts for hours. So let's go. Now for this one, you need three things. Number one, a loose powder. You can use any loose powder or whatever loose powder that you have been using. Number two, a makeup spray, a makeup setting spray. And number three, primer before you start your makeup. Now step one is your loose powder. I know it's unusual, but trust me, this works like magic and I've been trying it for a while and my makeup doesn't nudge. So take a little loose powder, make sure to remove the excess product from the brush and apply it all over your face. You can take a little more if you think you need it, and that's it. You can go all over your face just like that and you're good to go. Once it's done, you're then going to take your makeup spray. Now this is my personal favorite. It's called Whale by Hourglass, but you can use any makeup setting spray and it's going to work magic. I'm just going to take this spray as it is and apply it all over my face. And now I will let it dry. Now step number three, primer. After you put your loose powder and you've made sure that your makeup spray is dry, I want you to take a primer and apply it all over your face how you would usually do before applying your makeup. So let's go. Now I'm using this product by Milk because I'm going to use a silicone based foundation, so I want my primer also to be silicone based. Now that's something I learned recently, but again something very helpful. And now I'm set and now I'm going to do my makeup, and it is not going to nudge at all for next at least 10 hours. And ta-da, I am ready. I love this sari and I love how this color complements me. So if you haven't watched the video of what colors to wear for yourself, that I'm linking it here, so go watch that first. Now coming to the next tip, footwear, something which is very important when it comes to saris. Now I won't recommend wearing closed shoes with saris. Two reasons. Number one, the pointy shoes can be uncomfortable for longer duration. Number two, now sari covers you till your complete feet, now leaving no skin to show at all. Remember, when you are covered from top to bottom, even if a little bit of skin is showing in the feet, your outfit will look more elevated. So my suggestion, A, go for block heels and go for open heels. My favorite has to be these Kolhapuri block heels from this brand called the Alter, and I love how comfortable they are. The last one, accessories. Now it is such an important part, isn't it, when we are heading out for a function and we want our accessories to look the best. So I would recommend you one thing. When you are wearing a V-neck with a sari, try wearing a choker, or if your sari doesn't have any work, you can also go ahead and wear something which is more bigger and longer. Remember, you can wear a lot of jewelry with sari without going wrong, but I would say try something different and experimental. Like for this look, I chose a very cute and dainty kind of a choker with small earrings, but I added a little bit fun with this hat fold. So make sure you are trying a fun accessory so that your sari doesn't look old and boring. So these were few tips that you can keep in mind while you are getting ready for the function. I hope you liked the video and I hope you like my outfit. By the way, this sari that I wore is actually a 50-year-old sari that my nani hand painted. So I'm super thrilled that I could share it with you. So make sure to like this video and do not forget to subscribe our YouTube channel.